નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6 subject English unit number 8 invention. As you know students, in our previous videos we studied about invention. We completed activity number 1st and activity number 2nd in previous video. We see the picture in activity number 1st and name as we find the things. In second activities we studied about do you know who invented the light bulb. In that activity number 2nd we discussed about Thomas Alva Edison. Now based upon that we have to do activity number 3rd in this video. So open your textbook with you. Unit number 5th, activity number 3rd. So I start from my textbook. Just open your textbook, activity number 3 we have to do in this video. Here are some more famous inventions. I read from the activity number 3rd, first line. Just keep attention there. Here are some more famous inventions. Here in downside we can see the more famous invention. Work with a partner or group to add 3 more inventions to the list. We see the invention of light bulb in second activity. Now in the third activity we have added more inventions in list given downside. What are some problems that each of these inventions solved? And from you make list what are the problems of that invention and how it is solved to discuss about it. Okay, first one is given here in one box is given here. 3 invention is written here in your textbook. Sewing machine, oven, antibiotics. 3 things is given here. Sewing machine first of all. Sewing machine. What is use of that invention? We have to write on opposite side. How we use sewing machine? मशीन हम किस तरह यूज कर सकते हैं वो हमें सामने की जगह पे लिखना है. इन योर टेक्स्ट one space is given opposite sewing machines. You have to write like that. Here first one is that sewing machine. Opposite side you have to write stitching. For what is used? It is used the stitching. Stitching clothes. Stitching clothes to feed people. To feed people. Body. Okay, you have to write stitching clothes to fit people's body. Now second invention is given here, oven. Everybody knows about it. Everybody have oven at your home. It is used to warming food and preparing some eatables. So it is used for here warming food and preparing some eatables. All we can use here. Third thing is given here, antibiotics. Antibiotics. What is use of antibiotics? Do you see? Whenever you feel weakness in your body or whenever you go to the doctor sometimes if it is required then write sometimes antibiotics. Antibiotics means What is it is used? We have to write here antibiotics, one type of medicine. So it is used to preventing infections. Preventing infections caused by different bacteria and viruses. So it is used to preventing infection caused by different bacteria and viruses. So here we write 3 inventions: sewing machine, oven, and antibiotics. Sewing machine is used to stitching clothes to keep people's body. Oven is used to warming food and preparing some eatables. Antibiotics is used to preventing infection caused by different bacteria and viruses. So you have to write these things in your text. Now next we have to understand about it. Individually, these 3 real problems that you know about that might be solved with a new invention. Individually, everybody have to decide, everybody have to think, list 3 things, real problems that you know about that might be solved with a new invention. You have to write here 3 new problems which is solved by any invention. Okay? Just you have to imagine 3 problems, real problems. To solve that 3 problems, we require new invention. You have to write that type of 3 invention here. So I write as an example here. You have to complete it in your textbook. Otherwise, you can think also you can think your own real problems here. Okay? Just I write here 3 inventions. Just keep attention and complete your textbook time to time. What I listen, what I say here, you have to complete all the things in your textbook as well as in grammar textbook as well as in your workbooks. Now I write here 3 real problems. You have to write it. First problem is that I write here first problem. Conversion of seawater into drinking water. At cheap cost. At cheap means very less cost. At cheapest cost. It's a first real problem I write here. What is this? Conversion of seawater into drinking water at the cheapest cost. It's a one problem emerged here in our earth. There is many problems to drinking water. Very crisis of drinking water is on our earth. So first real problem I write here: conversion of seawater into drinking water at cheapest cost. If it is possible, then we have to convert seawater into drinkable water. So that type of invention must be required. Second real problem I write here. Second real problem is that a magic phone. Accessible everywhere, but without SIM card. Without SIM card. Second main problem is that I write second problem is that a magic phone accessible everywhere but without SIM card. We require a phone. It is a running on without SIM card. Here today we use the cell phones, but it is with SIM card. If it is possible, then we have to find out that basic phone which is ran on without SIM card. So it's the second problem. Now third problem we have to write. Third problem I write a device that records dream. We have to find a device. One problem I write here. We require as a new invention a device that records our dream. Whenever we sleep, we feel dreams. And that dream, if that machine is on, then our dreams will be recorded in that machine. That type of machine must be required as a new invention. So here I write three problems, real problems. For that problems, we have to find the new invention. We have to find the new device to solve that three real problems. You have to write that three problems in your textbook. Now, downside box, I read. Just keep attention there. In a pair or group, share the list of problems you each made. Use ideas from everyone's list to make a new list. The new list will list the 5 most serious problems from all the lists you shared. Now what we have to do? In a pair or group, we have to do share the list of problems you each made. You have to share all the problems, making the list, last list, you have to share with your classmate. And you have to make a new list with what stack? The new list will list 5 most serious problems. You have to make a list of 5 serious problems, with making each other, sharing with each other's ideas, sharing with each other's problems. You have made a list of 5 serious problems on back side. So, back side of your book, page number 14. Now one box is given here, 5 serious problems you have to write. Our group looked at everyone's list and agreed these 5 problems are all very serious. Now you have to work in a group. Our group looked at everyone's list. Our group see everybody's list, and these 5 problems are very serious. You have to write 5 problems on downside. For example, you have to write first problem. As here, one number. Our problem is given here. Conversion of seawater into drinking water at cheapest cost. It is a first problem here. Now second problem you have to write. Here, that problem, just think about it. It's a 3 number, and here, think about it. It is a 5 number. So, one number is given here. Second number problem I write here. You have to add it here. Nanobots. Nanobots to remove plaques from artistry RDS and vents. It's a second problem added from others list. First you have to write conversion of seawater into drinking water at cheapest cost. Second you have to write nanobots to remove plaque from artistry and vents. So we have to find the main problem is that if your artistry and vents is blocked, then we have to open it. So nanobots we require to open our vents whenever it is blocked. Third thing you have to write a magic phone, accessible everywhere but without SIM cards. Here third remain same. Now fourth one we have to write. I erase here fifth one and then write 4. I write here fourth number and fifth number. You have to complete it in your textbook. Fourth number just we have to write it. Fast wound. Fast wound. Fast wound. Healing. Healing. Fast wound healing. Cream. Which. Which leaves no. Which leaves no scars. Leaves no scars. SCARS. So here fourth problem is given here. Fast wound healing cream which leaves no scars. We require main problem is that if we fall down, then our knees will be swollen. So we require fast wound healing cream which leaves no scar. No signs required. If we is feeling here, then we put here fast wound healing cream and then no scars, no signs is there. Okay, so that type of cream required. It's a fourth problem. For that we have to find out invention. And five problem, number 5 is our problem. It will be written on website. A device that records dream. So here I write 5 problems. Okay, 5 problems list here. Just you have to complete all the things in your textbook. Here our 5 main problem, our group with each other, combining with each other students, and we make up 5 serious problems here. We make a list of 5 serious problems. So just you have to complete 5 serious problems list in your textbook, page number 40. Here students, our activity number 3rd problem. Now remaining activities we have to do in our next videos. Thank you for joining us.